Why are the readings jumping again?
No one is getting an accurate reading today.
Don't panic. Let me take a look. The readings keep jumping up and down. The material level is not fluctuating. The environment is interfering. Begin scanning.
Wait! How can you see through me?
It is stable. We do not have to guess the material level anymore. For complex environments, leave it to the KJT-LD18.
You win this time.
One site down. See you at the next stop.